Welcome to Roger's CPA Review, powered by UWorld. In this program, you will learn core CPA exam concepts through active learning. Test your knowledge with high-quality multiple-choice questions and task-based simulations, all of which map to the AI CPA blueprints and mirror the CPA exam so you're prepared on exam day. To ensure you fully understand the concepts, questions include clear and concise explanations for both correct and incorrect answer choices. Focus on what you need to pass with the industry's most motivating and effective instructor, Roger Phillip, CPA, CGMA. Roger breaks down difficult topics and provides effective memory aids for increased comprehension and retention.
We're trying to capitalize and then match the cost to the period benefited using a systematic and rational, because we as CPAs are what? Systematic and rational, and we're totally cool. All right.
Track your progress with robust performance reports, including our signature Smart Path Predictive Technology. We'll show you exactly what to study and how much, so you can spend your time efficiently. Plus, with the mobile app, you can take practice tests, flip through digital flashcards, or even download and listen to lectures, all while on the go. Quality results come from quality exam preparation. That's why 91% of our students pass the CPA exam. It's your turn.